The simple workout. Welcome to my channel. The advantages of squats. Squats are a highly effective exercise for building strength and muscle in the legs and glutes. These benefits can be achieved through various types of squats, such as traditional barbell squats, bodyweight squats, and kettlebell squats. One of the biggest advantages of squats is that they work for multiple muscle groups at once. The quadriceps, hamstrings, and glutes are all heavily involved in the squat movement. This makes squats a great exercise for building overall leg strength, as well as improving muscle definition in these areas. Another advantage of squats is that they can help improve overall fitness and athletic performance. Squats work the muscles used in many everyday activities, such as standing up from a seated position and climbing stairs. They can also improve the ability to jump and sprint, making them beneficial for athletes and those who engage in sports and other physically demanding activities. In addition to these physical benefits, squats can also have positive effects on mental health and well-being. Regular exercise, such as squats, can improve mood and reduce stress levels. It can also boost self-confidence and self-esteem. Finally, squats are relatively easy to do and can be adapted to suit any fitness level. They can be performed with little or no equipment and can be modified to make them easier or more challenging, depending on the individual's fitness level. In conclusion, squats are a versatile and effective exercise that can help build strength, improve athletic performance, and boost overall health and well-being. They can be adapted to suit any fitness level and can be done with little or no equipment, making them a convenient and accessible exercise for anyone looking to improve their physical fitness. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, share and comment below.